Hi everyone. In this video, I will explain complete process of winter sowing in transparent milk jugs or any transparent containers. See, which and all containers we are going to use for winter sowing. See here, this is transparent oil container and this is milk jug. This is another milk big oil container, as well as I am using these cake boxes also as my containers. This round cake box also I am using as a winter sowing. You see here top steam, how it was formed, the water inside. So I already put some holes at the bottom. I put soil inside that and I already put the seeds. I put some holes also on the top of this lid and covered it and keep it outside only. Okay, the next thing is which soil I am using. I am using this Expert brand garden soil as well as organic potting mix soil from Costco. You can see this. This is my organic potting mix soil from Costco, and I am using organic coco peat. So this is already pre-washed coco peat. So I got the coconut bricks, the coco peat bricks, and I put them in water. So I mixed all three of them together for my soil. After this, take your container, put lot of holes. Here I put the holes on the sides, as well as I put 8 holes at the bottom. You can use any drilling tool if you have it. I used this drilling tool to make the holes. If you don't have drilling tools, even you can use this this tool also for making the holes. After that, I added my soil to this pot. You can see it here, and added lot of coco peat on the top of that soil, so that the seeds will be having good germination, because this coco peat is so loose. After that, I watered this soil. Then I put my seeds. After that, add some more coco peat on the top. Then close this container with duct tape. So this is the duct tape which I am going to use. So this is the duct tape which I am going to use. I will close this duct tape and I will water some more after planting the seeds on the top. Close with the duct tape and keep this outside without closing lid. Even if it is raining or even if it is snowing, we are no need to worry about that at all. Keep them outside. Once the temperature started high, they will grow. Seedlings will start growing. Even if you have snow weather and even if you have snow locations, you can do this process. There is a Facebook page, Winter Sowing for Vegetable Gardening by Cheryl Mann. She is the one who is invented this process. This is very, very good process to grow lot of seedlings. You can use one container to grow multiple seedlings. Like you can put lot of different varieties of chili plants in one container itself. You start going to that group. Even there is one more Facebook page is also there, Winter Sowing for Northern regions. So you can check that. So once you are planted the seeds and put them outside, keep checking the pots, because as we are not going to close the pots and the water may dry up when the plants, when the seeds were consuming those water because of the outside sun and all. So you have to check and water the plants from the lid slowly inside it. That is the process. Any location, even if you have snow and everything, you can start. There is no time frame like you need to start 1 month before of your last frost like that. Even if you planning from now, even if your last frost date is May 1st, the seeds started germinating only when temperatures were heat enough for them. These containers works as individual greenhouses. So this is how the winter sowing works. I will attach my previous year video clips also under this video, so that you will understand how good this process is. Hope you all got the details. If you have any doubts on the winter sowing, please comment me. One more request, I am not going to respond to individual comments on my videos whichever I have posted. requesting you to add comments under the video so that other people also will get the details from those comments if they have the same questions. Thank you. Please do follow me for more gardening videos, updates and learnings.